So after my last video on the Longaberger Basket building in Newark, Ohio, I had a couple questions asking about the homestead and if there was anything still here. I didn't know much about it, so today I thought I would drive out here to check out to see what is here. And as you can see, nothing is open and it's all but abandoned. This village and this street right here kind of reminds me of Main Street USA at Disney. Looks like they might be removing this building. I'm guessing that might be repurposed old wood. You can see where some of this building used to sit. Just noticing the design of these buildings and the brick, the tree-lined street. Also at the top you can see some of the lights. I'm sure at Christmas time this place was busy and looked amazing with Christmas lights. And today it's just sitting completely empty. In the background here, there's a fountain that's actually still going. So many buildings and entrances, and just not sure what a lot of this was. This barn here is called the Crawford Barn. And I'm guessing that since this is still on the property, actually on the back side of the property, you can see where the village is at. And on the other side's the barn, that they're still using this historic barn. Fountain still going, and this beautiful home right here. Don't know a lot about the history of this barn. I do know that it's extremely old and it was removed from another property and brought here and reconstructed. I'm curious what this building used to be. There's a sign there. It says guest package services, public phones and restrooms. Looks like it might have been a welcome center. There's where the restrooms were. I don't know everything that was here at the homestead. I know that there was obviously shops that you could buy the Longaberger baskets from. There was definitely a restaurant, maybe two. I don't know. So if you have some information, comment below. It's crazy to think that this is just pretty much abandoned at this point. When Longaberger Basket was at its peak, it was $1 billion a year business with thousands of employees and tens of thousands of consultants. And how busy this village used to be. So based on some of the research I did on this property, I think this used to be the restaurant. Hard to see inside. Not sure what this building would have been used for. So inside this long building, I'm able to see through the window, there's this fake tree, a long hallway. So this building goes all the way. It's all connected. Another building here, it's missing the roof. Oh, the roof is there, shingles are gone. Actually, the back side looks like it might be open. Must be doing some work here. So that's it here from the Longaberger Homestead. It's a gorgeous fall day here. It's also kind of eerie knowing that this place is completely shut down and abandoned, knowing how many millions of people used to come through here. In the parking lot that I'm parked at, you can see my truck in the background. That's a huge bus lot. So they used to bus tons of people in here every day. But how cool would this be to be fixed up, seeing it like a shopping district here again.